Welcome to the W. I'm Senior Reporter Chris Kalle.
And I'm Senior Reporter Stephen DiNapoli. With the holiday season around the corner, people get into the holiday spirit by participating in fun holiday activities, watching Christmas movies, and decorating their homes. According to Fox News, there are at least 5 holiday decorating mistakes that reduce your cheer this year.
Here are the top 5 holiday decorating mistakes to avoid and some tips and tricks to make your home beautiful this holiday season.
At number 5, we have lighting too many candles too close to each other. According to the Holiday September broadcast and the National Fire Protection Association, Christmas Day sets the record for fires started by candles. With nearly 3 times the daily average, more than half of such fires are by candles on Christmas Day. Keep candles away from each other and never leave them unattended. The easiest solution of all is to simply switch to battery-operated candles.
At number 4, we've got overlooking the scale of your Christmas tree. This can be a bit problematic. If the tree is too big for your space, it might not fit properly or overpower the room. On the other hand, if it's too small, it might look a bit underwhelming. It's all about finding the right balance and making sure the tree complements your space nicely.
At number 3, we have setting the tree in the wrong place. Avoid setting the tree up by radiators, vents, heaters, or fireplaces, all of which could dry out the tree much quicker. FEMA advises placing your tree at least 3 feet from any kind of heat source. Check the tree's water level daily to make sure it's healthy and fresh, and throw it out as soon as it becomes dry.
At number 2, we have ignoring ladder safety. The Consumer Product Safety Commission reports roughly 160 decorating-related injuries during the holiday season, with about half of those related to falls. Save yourself a trip to the ER by following a few basic protocols. Start by using a ladder that extends 3 feet over the roof line for outdoor jobs and set up a single extension ladders at a 75-degree angle. Make sure the ladder is on level, solid ground. Wear shoes and check to ensure the rungs are dry before you start climbing. Do not stand on the top of your ladder or overreach.
And at number 1, we have creating an electrical overload. About 1/3 of Christmas tree fires are caused by electrical problems. Not exactly what you had in mind when you started stringing tree lights. When it comes to the lights, a little goes a long way. CPSC advises no more than 3 strand size sets of lights per single extension cord. Here are more safety tips for keeping your holiday display safe. Shop for lights that have been tested for safety and use for indoor, and keep the ones that are used for outdoor outside. Throw out any cords and lights that are loose, fried, cracked, or otherwise damaged. Turn off all lights before leaving the house or going to bed at night.
Hope everyone has a safe and healthy holiday season. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Back to you at the Anchor Desk.